What's up? Like the little panels I did. You feel me? Like that. Don't do that. Whatever. What's up? Morning or evening, whatever it is.
What do you think?
It's morning? Oh, I think it's beautiful. It's nice. Look like I did it.
Okay. Perfect.
I likes. I gotta go get a vanity, 30-inch, right?
Yeah, and I need another piece of trim for here because we were in the house.
What, talking about that black stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Sluter. I'm about to go to the,
And you know what? Why don't you get the backsplash?
I'm about to go get the backsplash.
And, get 2 bags of 10 cents.
And then the back of 10 cents. Let me write this stuff down, man. Oh, you already got it wrote down?
But you can use this though. I decided to put it all the way up to the ceiling for it to look better.
Okay. So you need 2 more sluters.
And a head shower. What's it called?
33.
Something like that.
Kitchen knobs. Cabinet knobs. The top?
I would have said paint the trim on the garage.
Oh, yeah, I ain't even see that. It's gotta be. They gonna flag it. FHA? They definitely gonna flag it. So yeah, you gotta paint this. I'll tell them. Oh, that's broke. Oh yeah, need a new one.
That's just that shoebox.
So the glass is missing. So you just gotta basically change this whole thing.
Yeah, they set them in one piece.
What that be for a car?
Huh? 35.
Oh, okay. Oh, you need a gutter extension.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I would push or pull that thing back down and stick it up.
What is that?
I don't know. It's like something over the gutter. I would say take it off and push it down.
Yeah, or cut it out. Alright, yeah, that look ugly.
So do you want me to go grab the door with you?
I'm about to say, if you want to try, yeah, we can go. We'll go grab the door.
Huh?
They got one at that place. And you gotta spend $60. Get one for 20.
Well, you want to send me to the place and then you go to Home Depot?
Good old side Home Depot. Ooh, this is dope. I want something with some brown and like gray in it. Brown and gray, but also at a decent price. So I only got like $1,500 left in the budget. Ooh, that's dope too. Here we go. $5.98. Left. Need 40 of these bad boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's more back there. Let me see. Bet. Get this. What else we need? Got the backsplash. Wall paint. So we're gonna get which one? Bone white. With this backsplash. Put in the color of the wall. That'll look good. So they knobs here. A little bit more expensive than Menards. 5.7. $4. No, these are alright, I guess. 10 of these gonna cost me $40. Maybe I should just wait. This selection's trash. Yeah. I don't know. I'll go to Menards. Let's see. As you can see, they got a way bigger selection on knobs than Home Depot. Even more over here. But I'm looking for gold, either brushed, like this color. This one. I love this, but this is a special order. I won't be doing that. Like these, it's actually nice. For $3. So I might just get these. Got these nifty little things. Little horizontal shapes. Look alright. These one over here. I'm gonna need about 10 of them. 1, 2. Yep. You've seen it. 30 inch, 30 inch, 30 inch. You just picking out stuff that don't even match.
It do match.
I said 30 inch.
What's 30 inches?
None of these.
Well, why does one down here?
I don't know. Let me see.
This one.
Nah, this one fly, but I ain't paying no 1,500. That's stupid. I'm trying to stay within 150. Let's find a broke one.
150?
Like 150. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go find one on clearance.
Okay.
700 is the clearance? That's stupid.
It was, man.
It was 9.
Oh, they got some little teeth.
30 ain't small. That's a 30.
That's ugly.
Yeah, it's not ugly.
They got 229. You can do that.
It's not 229.
It's like 229.
That's for a 24.
Oh. 260 then.
279 for the
You got one? 159. Look.
There we go. Now you're thinking. In
Yeah, I
stock.
like it. Look.
That's a 36. So 159.
No, it's a 30.
Does it come with the top?
It's what it says it is.
Let me see.
This the one.
Scan the entire collection. Da, 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 da. Okay. Let's see if there's a match. So got the clean this off a little bit. Ugh. That look good, don't it? Don't it? Looking goofy for yes or no?
That's for the backsplash?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be good. All by yourself, you ain't even need me.
I never need you to do this. This is what I do. Cállate. They taught me.
They don't even teach you that fast.
They taught me how to say shut up. Anyway. Oh, you know what? Let me go see the basement. I ain't seen the basement.
It's a basement?
Really? What do you know about the house?
Nothing, because you don't bring me here.
Quote unquote invested in.
You didn't, quote unquote. Well, if it's only quote unquote, then where's my money?
Where's your money?
Period.
Did they do it? Oh, they didn't put it on there yet. So never mind. It looks the same.
I haven't seen it move.
You can't walk on it.
Why?
Because it's painted. You can look from here.
It's not wet.
I didn't say it was wet, but you're going to leave footprints. We just came from outside. See if you get paid.
You gonna give me my money? How you gonna not give me my money now? That's it.
See if you get paid.
You gonna give me my money? Period.
Yeah, okay.
Then I'm gonna take it out your.
Yeah, okay. Cállate.
Watch yourself. I ain't interrupting.
Get in the car. At one of my other favorite spots. Pappas.
Pappas.
Let's see. Oh, they shit at you being helpful.
18.
Oh, hell no. What's that one? That one's 30 or 28. 28 good, but
28.
they gonna, ain't no way in hell I'm getting 250 for this. Look at this thing.
We can walk it down.
I think they talking about the counter. It must be. No. 350. This is nice right here. $200. Damn. What size is that?
25.
So that's too small. What's that one?
24.
Yeah. No. What's that one?
31.
That might have
But
what? That's what. Yeah, that's really what matter. Yeah, that's.
29.
Oh yeah, that's good. That one's good. I mean, how much is that one? Oh, they all the same. You know, I got everything. Whew, what the hell they back here cutting? Smoky as hell back here. $100. That's what I'm talking about. Bet.
For them blue strips, I'll make you strip. Knock at your door like Jehovah's Witness. Them 223s get to testify and there'll be no witnesses. You know what I'm saying? You know
You wrote that in the joint. You wrote that in the joint. We find out. Okay. All right. I'll do a little something.
Boy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What's
See the
up? What's up?
bathroom, man?
Not yet, but you know, I designed it. Like that wall. Yeah, I did that.
You did that?
Well, I designed it.
Oh yeah, I seen you going, man. The bathroom looking good. The bathroom look like marble.
Let me see. Sir, excuse me.
You want to go right here?
Do I want it painted?
No, you want to go right here on the closet.
Oh, the door. Ain't no door?
Yeah, but the door is not 30. You need a 28.
Oh, I need a 28. Yeah, I'll go get one. What's up? These not it?
Yeah, this is a 30, and you need a.
That's a 24. Oh shoot. Hold on. Got it? I'll go buy one.
I tricked this butt this time. All that $20 an hour, I got paid up front. So when you get to doing that, I start moving a little slow. Start carrying it like this. Where you go?
Just put it on the box, man.
There you go.
Put it over here.
They better be careful with it.
We gotta put this in there first. What you trying to say,
She
man?
was singing, she was like, bueno.
Just stop.
How you sing it? She was singing, how you sing it? Sing it.
Looking good in here, looking real good. Change that light.
Wait.
Move a little faster, you're on the clock. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I hope you're almost done, my good brother, because my game about to come on in about 50.
Look, is it manicured?
Yeah, you good, man.
Every time I leave here, it look like I done took some NyQuil, and you don't want to give me that prop. But we went to this restore or rehabitat, whatever it's called, and I got the prices knocked down. He was like,
Oh yeah,
they were charging
they took off $25. Yeah.
$25.
Yeah,
so
okay.
I saved you some money, right?
Yeah, okay.
And you're not bilingual, so I'm bilingual.
What?
Bilingual, I can speak other different Latin. I mean different
languages. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, can you speak Pig Latin?
I don't even think that's a thing.
Ouye, onwe, ute,
No,
omte,
no.
akle, he makes like Snoop Dogg.
No.
Did my nizzle for shizzle? That's
No,
Pig Latin.
That's ignorant.
That's ignorant Latin?
Yeah, that's ignorant.
No, hey. But,
You know what language I speak?
money.
Exactly. And you wasting it. So let's go. We got 45 minutes to get home. And the game about to start in 15.
Are you
I see a little trash, but you know, we can always come back. You feel me?
Come back.
I mean, under the tree, I ain't trying to be picky, but you know.
You want me to get that little branch?
Not the branch, the trash.
Oh my God.
I'm just saying it's trash. Is it not?
You talk about a potato chip bag?
Potato chip bag, whatever it is. I'm just saying. You ask me a question, I give you the answer. Okay. I want it to look real nice around here. So when I put it on the market, you know.
You don't want them to see that potato chip bag?
Oh, you think you got jokes.
If a person don't buy the house because of a potato chip bag.
I'm just saying, the presentation is everything. You feel me?
I'm with you.
You dig? I don't want them leaving. I don't want them leaving the house talking about, yeah, the house was nice, but it was nasty. It had trash everywhere. You feel me?
Well, why don't you do the community a favor and try to
Hey,
rent
man,
out
listen,
some
dog.
houses.
Listen. Don't be trying to give me no ideas on how to do what for.
I'm not giving you no ideas. I'm giving you a suggestion. Why don't you rent some houses out?
Why?
For people, because people can't always afford to buy a house, but you can help.
You
people
know what?
out.
People can afford to buy a house, and they don't even know it.
Why don't you put that on your next segment? How to get a house when you ain't got no money.
Oh no, you gotta have some money. Now that's a fallacy. They say you can get a house with no money down, but you're gonna have to have something. You gotta have money, closing costs or whatever. You might not have to have no money for the down payment, but there's always gonna be, closing costs.
Like,
You might not need
what
much.
they say that song was something, nothing from nothing.
I don't know that
leaves
song. That's
nothing.
before my time. That's before my time. That's before my time, guy. It's a very nice day. This is a very nice day.
Last little thing.
This probably should have been the day they did this deck. I don't know if it's gonna be no more nice days like this.